I will talk about how can you change your cover or add it on your Wallapop app, or you could to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on your down here. When you click here on your, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on edit profile. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on your cover here. So before that, you have to have your premium. When you just have it, when you just click on your photo here or your cover, then it's going to take you to change it from your device picture. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. So when you're done, you go above save, click on it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.